All right. I didn't really want to make this far, but I just made it. That was this teleprompter. If you guys have watched the previous video, I have made this teleprompter with the cloud code. And this cloud code is making me keep coding. It's really fun with this cloud talking and making things. It's like testing him or her to be how can you go for. And yeah, that's fun. So I've made it and let's show you how it went. All right. Maybe I need some contents. I have it here. Yeah, this one. And yeah, most of things are the same except the margin and text align because I have edited today and one more flip. Step by step. The font weight, normal to light, and the semi-bold to the bold. If you have to see it a little bit more bigger, you can use it like this one. Font weight and center, left and right. I think the left one is much good to read and take a breath until you make it to read. And the margin is like this one, the gap between right and left. And the font size is just a font size. And the speed is like when you go, you can speed it up and speed it down. This everything is like made by the shortcut. This margin up and down is this key, and up and down font size is a plus and minus, and speed up is this dot and comma. And start and stop is a space, reset is R, and full screen is F. And in here, everything, the shortcut and the keystroke, everything works inside the full screen. Even the speed, it works flawlessly. And everything is exactly same except this flip one. The flip is like this one. If you flip, it scrolls down. But actually, if you know about this teleprompt, it is like device in the bottom and you have to play it, and the glass is reflecting the text and the camera is in the back side of the glass. So you have to replace is this text like this, the flip one. But if you don't have any reflection camera or the glasses, yeah, it will be fine. You can use it with this one. It will be just working as just you need it. Okay, and that's the all features that I have made with the cloud code, and I think I'm not gonna make it further. Unless you ask me the comments if you need some features of these teleprompter or any of it, I can make fun with the cloud code. I think I'm gonna just wrap this thing up and gonna make it in the website, and my URL will be in the description now. You can just go ahead and just use it. That's it. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.